Da, 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 da. I will be eating somebody's leftovers for the next 2-3 meals. Yes, somebody's leftover from restaurants. So, and yeah, let's show you guys what I'm gonna have. Actually, I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Anyway, so it's somebody's leftover. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Wow, wow, wow. Very colorful. Sweet and sour pork. Yeah, sweet and sour pork. And let's see, what is this? Da, 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 da. Yes, some deep fry. I don't know. Chicken? Maybe? Probably chicken, right? With some cabbage, leftover cabbage. And this is the garlic. So cabbage, some kind of fried meat. I don't know. Yeah. So, anyways, so yeah, these are the restaurant grade leftover. So meaning that these are the leftover from somebody, and I'll be eating these for the next 2-3 meals. And of course, I can mix some steamed rice with it to go with it, or I can blanch some veggies with it as well. So there you go. And let's take a picture and let's microwave it, reheat it, and then that will be ready to go. So yeah, let me wrap this up in Cantonese. 呢個咧就係人哋食剩嘅餸啦，喺酒樓食剩嘅餸，咁就呢啲係豬扒啦，咁啊即係糖醋豬扒啦，咁啊跟住有啲炸嘅，我諗係雞肉啩，係啦雞柳啩，咁啊整啲白菜，整啲雞柳咁樣啦，咁我唔知係咩嚟嘅嚇，食到落肚先知啊，咁啊係啦，咁啊冇辦法㗎啦，有時食人哋食剩嘅嘢，咁咪咯，咁啊影張相叮熱翻佢就食得㗎啦。